Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a perfect way you can clean your chicken gizzard. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some chicken gizzard in this bowl, and as you guys can see, it is very dirty. It is full of fat and that yellow stuff which I don't want in my gizzard. Where I live, this is how they normally sell chicken gizzard for me. They don't clean it. I've asked for cleaning a couple of times, but they turned me down. They said they don't clean it. Once I buy it, I just bring it home and come and do the cleaning by myself. Alright. Once I add the chicken gizzard into the bowl, I run some water on it and I pick small knife just to remove that fat, alright, and that yellowish stuff, alright. The one that I clean, I just drop it in a bowl and I keep repeating the same process until I am done. You guys just keep watching, you understand perfectly well. This process requires a little bit of patience. When you are doing it, just have patience, alright, until you clean it perfectly well. At least you are doing it by yourself. You know that you really clean it well, alright. This particular one is clean. I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to repeat the same process to all the gizzard until I am done. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all for your love, for your support, for sharing, for commenting, for watching my video, for liking. You guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. Even though I don't say it all the time, but you guys, believe me, I really appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you so much. At this point, I've removed all that fat and the yellowish stuff from the gizzard. I'm going to add salt and I'm going to add all-purpose flour and I'm going to go ahead and add some vinegar as well. I'm making use of white vinegar and I will massage everything very well. The reason why for these three things, they are going to eliminate the odor from the gizzard. You guys know that gizzard smell very bad. And when you are cooking it, you don't want that smell to alter your food, alright? Make sure you clean it very well, alright? Once you add the flour, the salt, and the white vinegar, just massage it. Take your time to massage it for about a minute or 2 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it with water. At this stage, I'll get rid of that dirty water and I'm going to run another clean water on it. As you guys can see, the water is clear now. I'll be taking the gizzard one after the other. I just use my finger to remove any dirt that is on it. I'm going to do this to all the chicken gizzard. Pick it one after the other, rinse it with clean water and put it in a bowl until I'm done with all the gizzard. At this stage, everything is looking so good already, looking clean, looking beautiful, but we are not done yet, alright? I have a pot of water here, it's already boiled. I just add some salt to that, and I'm going to transfer the chicken gizzard into the water and allow it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to overboil it, but we are just trying to get rid of that white stuff that is in that gizzard, alright? You guys will see that in a minute. Just keep watching. This is why stuff that I'm talking about, you don't want this in your food, alright? This alter the taste of your food when you use chicken gizzard if you didn't boil it before putting it in your food. I'm going to turn off the heat, it's perfectly boiled to my liking, and transfer it into a bowl of cold water, and then I'm going to give it a final good rinse, and that is it, guys. Shout out to my boss sister that taught me this method. You guys, it is the perfect way, the best way to clean your chicken gizzard. Trust me, guys. I go ahead and portion it in a freezer bag and store it in a deep freezer till I'm ready to use it. And I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.